Okay, so this week's education slot, guys, I thought I'd just run through a couple of little bits on the app in terms of tracking Thank Business and passing referrals and Thank Business cross-chapter. Okay, so if you're unsure how to do it, I've got a couple of minutes, but if you've got any questions afterwards, come and see me. But hopefully, the fact you can see it up there will make sense. So first of all, if we want to pass a referral to somebody in our chapter, we click the little plus button at the bottom and we go to referral and we tap on the search bar at the top and all our chapter members pop up at the bottom. Yeah, so it's really simple. I want to pass a referral to Paul Murray, press confirm, and then whether it's an inside or outside referral. Okay, so an inside referral to Paul Murray would be, I'm doing that work, or that Paul's doing that work for me. An outside referral will be passing it to, Paul, can you contact a friend of mine for some insurance? Okay, so whether it's inside or outside, and then have I just given that person the card, or have I told them that Paul's going to get in touch with them? So we've done education in the slots that in the past that ideally I should be saying, look, I'll get Paul to give you a call. Is it okay if I pass you his number? Yep, so that person's expecting that referral. And then we're just filling in name, phone number, email if we've got it, where that referral's based, and any brief information that Paul should know. I would always tend to phone Paul up and say, look, I've got this referral, just pass your details over just so Paul's briefed properly. But what if I want to pass a referral to somebody who's not in the chapter? Same place, onto referral, and then we click the little search icon in the top. No, we click the little search icon. And then you need to pop in the first few details of that person you're searching for. So for example, if I put TRI and HAR in the company name, it brings up a number of people.
Not the one you wanted.
But down the bottom here, I've got Tristan Harty for Roman, which is who I was actually looking for. Click on that and continue, and then Tristan pops up there. And I can fill that in the same way. Is that a referral to Tristan from me, or is it to somebody in my network as an outside referral? So that's how we search for people globally, all over the world, from the BNI Connect network. The same goes for, if I discard that, if we want to thank business, again, click on the search bar, we're logging thank business to members in our chapters. But if you've passed a referral, or you've been passed a referral from somebody in another chapter to do work, and you've completed that, same thing again, click the search bar, search for that person. The more details you put in, the shorter the results are. And that person pops up. And then, as always, you're logging a thank you for the business. So how much you're thanking for? I don't know, £1,000. Is it new business? Is it the first time you've done that business for that referral for that customer? Or is it repeat business? So for example, if I passed a referral to Darren for a website and Darren's billing that person monthly, if Darren's logging his business monthly, that would be logged down as repeat business. Okay, inside, outside, or tier 3 is tier 3's business that's come from a referral that's then passed you on to somebody else. So the initial referral was a BNI introduction, and that customer's then passed you on to somebody in their network. That's a tier 3 referral. And again, do you want to log any comments? So please do make sure you are logging stuff on the app. I know Thank Business goes towards the person who passed the referral, not necessarily on your own stats, but it's really important for that person that on their traffic lights, they can see that they're getting work from BNI. So please do log everything. Any questions on that?
Can I say, it does add up on your accumulation.
Oh, so yeah, it's business you've given as well, isn't it? Yeah.
You know, what you've received, but you only receive
Yeah.
that, no one else can see that.
Yeah. Yeah, so it is important, you know, when you look back and think, oh, have I had much out of BNI? And you look and think, oh, actually, yes, I have. And then you can see that in BNI Connect.
Once in a lifetime.
Yeah, in BNI Connect. So, that's me. Any questions after that? If you're still not sure, just grab me and I'll run through it one-to-one. Thank you.